source engine. It's one of the most influential engines out there. From Half-Life 2 to CSGO, it has powered many classic games. While the official Valve games has been officially supported on Linux, they haven't ported their level editor to it. So I'm going to show you how to set this up on Linux. You need to have Wine installed because that's what we need. It's very easy. Just look up Steam. And just install it. Now it's giving me the Debian file, so I'll have to click on the Windows logo. Here we are. It just works. Like, if I pull it up over here. Sorry, so we'll close this down. Of course, this is buggy because this is the Windows version. Oh, okay, buddy. Is there a way to? Alright, so I guess what the no, I'm not off. No connection. Why is there no connection? Are we connected over here? Oh, come on. Alright, so next you just install the games you want a mod for. And as a bonus, you can run all the Source SDK mods. There we go. There we go, fixed it. Since I'm not really going to be using a whole lot of this installation of Steam, since I have the Linux version right there, I put it into small mode, which doesn't use all those unnecessary graphics. Also has a WinApp kind of vibe. Can you install WinApp on this thing? Here we go. This is the Windows version of Portal running on Wine. I'll install those just in case, but I'm mainly just installing these versions so I can map, and the ones I'll actually play are right here. And the source mods work well on this. I remember them not working as well like a few years back, or maybe it was on the Mac, on one of my Macs. Okay, so just go to browse. Go to bin, hammer. Alright, let's see if this works. Bum ba dum bum. It works. So let's build something and compile and open up Portal with the map. Let's do it. F9. It's flashing. Oh, you have to set the settings for both playing Portal and developing maps for Portal. It's like setting settings for like the bug and release, if you catch my drift. So I will do the good old song and dance. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, viewers, this is a level that was built and compiled under Linux. Now, you may say, well, Translate Chan, it's wine. Let me tell you something. It's not Microsoft code, okay? But yeah, this is a map that's normally done under Windows, done with open source code, and it was easy. I didn't have to go in there and hack stuff. I just clicked buttons. I didn't even go to the terminal or the command prompt. It was just click, 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 just like that. And the thing is, I'm about to start working on at least try to work on a mod. I'm not gonna really make it public until I really know that I'm gonna release it. But I initially thought I was going to have to go into my Windows installation to do all that, but no, I can just do it within Wine. And then you may be telling me, Chant, does this work in Linux? Well, let me answer a question with a question. Can you run a Portal mod called Gamma Energy on Linux? And I'll answer that question. Yeah. Yes, you can. I'll show you. Watch. Just watch. Portal. Maps. The good stuff. New window. My folder. Okay, Wine. Drive C. Almost pulled a muscle or whatever it was. Okay, Translate Chan. Documents. BSP. Wait, PRT. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's a thing called like point file. If you had like a map leak. But we won't get into that today. I'm just showing you. Alright. I'm getting distracted. Okay. Test Linux. Copy. Paste. Okay. Now, open up the Linux version of Portal. Ah, yes. No nerve graph. Running on the native Linux version of Portal. The only limit to running source mods on Linux is the custom binary ones, the source SDK ones. So yeah, if you like what you saw, leave a like and subscribe so that I know that I should make more content like this. I will see you in the next one.